Kia ora! Welcome to the third lesson on where. Today, we're going to learn to negate the sentences we've learned in the last two lessons. Kei konei tengeru means the cat is here. I konei tengeru means the cat was here. To negate these sentences and say that the cat isn't here or wasn't here, the sentence starts with ka hore. Then we put the thing we're talking about, the cat in this case. Afterwards, we put the word I. This word indicates that we're talking about the location of something, be it present or past. Finally, we put the location. Ka hore tengeru I konei means the cat isn't here or the cat wasn't here. There is no difference between past and present for this sentence. Ka hore tengeru I konei can mean both the cat isn't here or the cat wasn't here, just the same. We can make the distinction between present and past with other words. For example, inai anei means now. Inanahi means yesterday. Ka hore tengeru I konei inai anei. The cat isn't here now. Ka hore tengeru I konei inanahi. The cat wasn't here yesterday. All of these sentences can be questions. For example, kei te whare te tāne. The man is at the house. Kei te whare te tāne. Is the man at the house? Ka hore te tāne I te whare. The man is not at the house. Let's learn one more thing. If we want to ask or talk about a person using their name, we need to put a before the name. For example, kei te whare a Rewi? Is Rewi at the house? Ka hore a Rewi I te whare. Rewi is not at the house. I te mara a Maria. Was Maria in the garden? Ka hore a Maria I te mara. Maria was not in the garden. Let's practice while also learning some new words. Te tari means the office. Te whare pikitia means the cinema. Kei hea a Rewi. Where is Rewi? Kei te tari a Rewi. Rewi is at the office. Kei te tari a Maria. Is Maria at the office? Ka hore a Maria I te tari. Maria is not at the office. Kei hea a Maria. Where is Maria? Kei te whare pikitia a Maria. Maria is at the cinema. Kei te whare pikitia a Rewi. Is Rewi at the cinema? Ka hore a Rewi I te whare pikitia. Rewi is not at the cinema. There you have it. Now you can negate these two sentences. Where are you? Ka kite.